it's me Zainab Altaf. Welcome back to Journal Output. I won't take your much time because audience are always in a big hurry. Even when there is their own benefit, they are in a hurry and they do not listen someone calmly. Because they don't listen someone calmly, once they open the video and they just want to get out of the video. Once they get in video and they want to get out of the video. Because they think their work has not been done, but in action, if they listen someone carefully or listen to me carefully, then the work is being done. I'm not so free sitting here to waste my time on you. If your time is precious, then my time is also precious. The last GSM, the first giveaway of the GSM in full free that I gave you, you can see at the top right here that I gave you, in which I didn't get the complete response. As being a YouTuber, I know each of your movement, as I gotta know the movement in the video I talk about the giveaway of the MEID, as you can see top here. The link for both of these in down description box. Even in that, I didn't get the perfect response. What happened is, whoever of you came on that video, the video was only of the 4 minutes. You can see right here the screenshot that you didn't watch my video completely. So the first ever condition is of the trust. So if you guys trust, then there is a big deal. So what is going to happen is that I promised you in my first GSM, which was in full free, I promised you that I'm going to give you a GSM of the double SIM unlocker, in which two people can unlock their iPhone along with their SIMs. So I am now ready to complete my promise. I'm ready to give you that giveaway. So for that, do not skip the video. Watch this video up to the very end to understand each and everything very clearly. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. And click on the bell icon to get every new notification on time. If you have unclicked my bell icon, then do click it once again. Smash the like button and do share this video to each of your friend. And I also want you to give me a complete feedback in the comment box, and also be my side and support me every time completely, so that I can keep solving your all problems of the iPhone. And I also want to share one more and the last thing, which is that in my previous GSM giveaway, I didn't apply software live. But if you don't trust me, then in this present giveaway of second GSM giveaway, I can apply the software live so that you guys can see that what names are coming and who are the winners. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.